Hey Nina, where are these plates?
Wow, this place is amazing. It's located in Darling and it has very delicious traditional tāu-hue. And today I got this tāu-hue with this, what's it called, hún-înn. Hún-înn, yes. It's made with local product, maybe peanut, I guess. Yeah. But it's so chewy and nice and delicious and so refreshing during the hot weather here is amazing. And if you can walk around, you could see the traditional interior. It's very cozy and nice and like a pearl in a small village of Darling. I really enjoy here.
Yeah.
Yummy.
是荤啊，荤贵。
台语老厝底影片古文来自好食好食。